New update. I assembled two tables. This will be my breakfast. For now, just a little bit of bread, ham, and ham in can. My cup, knife. This is temporary chair. Solar panel is charging my battery. So here is solar and my freezer. I have meat inside. This all has to go out and this mess has to be clean. That's the job. This is temporary toilet and WC. Weather closed. This all has to go out. And now, after the breakfast, my first task is to remove the wall so I can put the doors as they should be inside the wall. And this is temporary, just so they don't fall down. That's how it was over the night. And if I manage to put that in, then I put PU foam and it will be closed as it should be. And here I slept overnight in tent. This is the bed, but I didn't assemble it yet. I have a lizard inside. There is a lizard somewhere there. I saw it. So tent is good because nobody can enter inside. I don't know what's the name beneath the bed. 15 centimeters, so it's more comfortable to sleep. First table I assembled yesterday. Some stuff. This window I put it in yesterday and I put a little bit foam, so this is kinda good for now. I still need to put metal screws, but it's functioning already. Here's my tool, my Hilti, what's the name, to drill the holes, so driller. My food, but there's more work to do. And this was something like kitchen and bathroom all in once. Actually everything connected to water, because here is the water and drain, so sewer pipes and system, and toilet, and this where you wash the hands was connected to drainage. And here small window goes, but I also need to remove part of the wall because it's like, I don't know, maybe like a centimeter or two too large. You see it here. This was really nice. Okay, so this is for my water system, but hydro pack is in the car still. And that's short update. I have a lot of work to do still, but I have closet, toilet, I have bed. This is 30 liters drinkable water. Window is up. And now the most important thing now is strong wind is coming. there could be a little bit of a storm during the night. The most important thing for now is doors. I need to put in the doors and that's it. You see the clouds, it's getting ready for storm. Okay, now breakfast and see you in next update.